Okay, now we're going to create the dog body, and we're going to add their tail to the dog body here. And we're going to do that by using all the tools that we have learned so far. However, if you get stuck and you cannot draw a dog's body, you can always use the AI to help you. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. First, you need to draw a shape, and then we're going to go over to the properties panel, and then right here in the prompt, we're going to type in dog's body. This prompt will come up, and then you can hit agree. Okay, that created a whole dog body for us. Okay, so since it already created a whole dog body for us, I'm not gonna do any more prompts. I'm not really good at creating prompts, but if you are and you happen to get that dog body without the head and the tail, awesome. Now that you have your dog body created, here is mine. So I'm going to make a scarf for the dog. Before we put the dog tail on here, we're going to go ahead and create the scarf, and then after we do that, I'm going to show you how to connect it. So let's go ahead and make a dog scarf for here. And we're going to do that using a line. You can do this however you want, any kind of scarf you want to create for your dog. You can go ahead and do that now. I'm just going to do something really easy. Right here, I have sped up the video a little bit for you guys. I'm just using the pen tool to make a scarf to wrap around the dog's body. Okay, I have sped this part up as well. So what I'm doing is changing colors of the scarf, and then I'm rounding the corners of the scarf. I'm going to leave the end of the scarf square so we can add the flowy fabric to the end of the scarf here. So now I'm going to create the ends of the scarf by using the rectangle tool. Zooming in here so you see it guys a little bit better. And I'm also going to speed up this process as well. Okay, now that you have your scarf drawn around your dog, we're going to go ahead and use the Intertwine tool. What it's going to do is let us take our scarf. You see how the scarf is in front of the dog? I'm going to actually make the scarf go in between the dog to make it look like it's intertwined. First, we're going to select the dog body and the scarf, but not the end parts of the scarf here. Then we're going to go to Object, go down to Intertwine, and then we're going to click on Make. Now the scarf and a dog are grouped together as a twine object. If you look at the properties panel, you will see intertwine here. As you can see, our pointer has changed to a loop. Now you can see our pointer has a loop icon, like a rope that's intertwined. So now we need to tell Illustrator what parts of the scarf that we want to have intertwined with the dog or behind the dog. So first I'm going to click on this part. I want this part right here to go behind the dog. And I'm just going to make this selected, and I'm going to make it to like a circle. Okay. And when I click on it again, it's behind a dog, and I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the shapes that I want to go behind a dog. Not have the way I want it. I probably would prefer this part to be up a little bit more on the dog's butt area so it can actually look like it's hanging there instead of how it is now. But I mean, it is what it is. So now I have a quick question for you. How can you alter regular strokes width without using the whip tool? The answer is apply with profile to the stroke. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and attach the dog tail to the dog. And if you also have your dog head, you can go ahead and attach it to the dog as well. I have my dog head somewhere down here. No piece left behind. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make my dog body a little bit bigger to fit the head. And we're going to see. Oh, I wonder how that looks well just like that. I think I'm going to leave it like that. It's awesome. Okay, now you guys, we're going to go ahead and create the restaurant. Okay, you guys, this is the final look for my doggy restaurant. I have assembled all the pieces that we created earlier, and this is pretty much how mine look. I did create the restaurant and added the grass here and the bushes and the clouds and the signage here. I could have actually probably um, added a sign right here and made the dog a little bit bigger and put that donut hole we created behind it as a bigger signage, but I kind of like it like this with the dog going to a dog bowl. Let you know this is for dogs. So I think it's pretty cute. I use my little dog as a statue feature on my little doggy restaurant. So make sure when you complete your assignment, you put this on your mood board and for everyone in the class to comment on it. And you guys, I will see you next week or in the next module.